Welcome to WWDC.
Our new release is iOS 15. It's packed with features that make the iOS experience adapt to and complement the way you use iPhone. FaceTime is a standout. We're introducing Portrait Mode, where we've taken inspiration from iPhone's
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The new software update, iOS 15, is dangerous and contains software that will download a bomb into your phone and all other Apple devices. All Apple devices will be taken to a different location for your safety. If you have any Apple devices, shut them off immediately. Do not update them. Do not use them. If you have received the iOS 15 update, but not have downloaded it, just power off your phone. Do not listen to Apple. The update they made is a failure and they are lying about it. And they are not telling you about the side effects.